Let's leave clutter behind and weed out the chaos. Today, we're about to roll through the best ways to organize your stash. Annoyed by the way you receive your weed in either a pouch or a container? No problem. Take it home and get an herb grinder. You're going to grind it all up in there, open it up, and you'll find your stash ready to be put into a joint or a pipe. From there, you're going to take a small utensil so that you can get it into one of many containers. We've got a nice selection here to show you of different containers that you can use. And voila, you're ready to go. When you get home from the dispensary, you'll notice a label on your container. But once you get it into the jar, how are you going to know what's what? Well, you're going to take a handy dandy label maker and you're going to create a label. On it, you want to put the name of the strain as well as the percentage of sativa versus indica, as well as the THC percentage, so you know exactly what you're smoking. There are a variety of items that you can reuse to store your stash. For example, candle holders are a great option for your pipes as well as your vapes. And we have a variety of different containers that hold all of your little goodies. Reuse a tea container and even a mason jar covered with wrapping paper so that you can't see all the goodies that lie inside. Do you love the idea of repurposing? Here's another great option. These are perfect for on the go. Speaking of on the go, it's great to have a little pouch with you, and it's going to have everything you need inside. Your smoking device, of course, needs to be included. A lighter, your actual goodies, all labeled and ready to go, and something to clean it out just in case, all in one pouch. When the clock strikes 4:20, make sure that your stash station is ready to go. When everything is super organized, no one will even know that this is your special place in the corner of your home. If you'd like to keep all of your items out of view, find a drawer inside of your home that will work to stash all of your smoking supplies, including any vape supplies, right next to your cannabis and even some traditional smoking materials. This is especially important if you have children or pets within the home. You want to keep this up, and away. Now that your smoking supplies are labeled, stored, and ready to go, you're all set and highly organized. It's time to kick back and enjoy because, hey, it's 4:20 somewhere.